One more new smartphone of the M series. It's gonna be 5G. It will be the first smartphone of M series of Samsung that is 5G. It made the rebrand phone of A42 that got launched in India couple months ago. So some rumors are displaying various details and features of this device. Let's take a look on them. It is the remodel of A42, so you may consider here some same or fresh stuff inside it. Now let's take a look on the screen or display. It will have 6.6 inch. Inside this you will get Super AMOLED panel for punchy colors. From the display or screen it is stunning. On the performance it will be powered by Beast Snapdragon 750G processor. This is compatible for overtasking or playing long duration gaming. The fabrication process is 8nm and Reno 619 GPU for enhancing your gaming performance. In the mid-range smartphone of the Samsung always use its own processor that is Exynos, but this time you can acquire Snapdragon high performance processor inside it. So finger crossed for it. Moving ahead on the cameras, it features quad camera at the rear side. Main camera 64 megapixel, ultra wide 12 megapixel, 55 megapixels are the macro or depth for taking portrait pictures or near shots. Among the 64 megapixel primary camera, it may include Sony sensor. I'm not sure about the exactly sensor, but it may be Sony IMX682. Alongside on the front, it features 20 megapixel punch hole camera. On the last feature, its battery. It will have 6000 mAh cell inside it. Not have exact idea about the charger. Inside the box, it must have 30 watt super fast plus 15 watt wireless charger. This phone will provide you 1 day battery backup by using it lot, in as much as it does have monster battery, but the debut of this smartphone it may be in the end of this month. The cost of this smartphone it may be near to the 30,000 of 8GB RAM 128GB storage. Since it's having 6000 mAh cell, 5G connectivity, Snapdragon 750G processor, it's been from me. Let me know in the comment box what you think about this smartphone, and I would like to see you in the up next video.